Good morning, James. I am your teacher, Jane. Do you still remember me? Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you for remembering me, James. So, are you ready for today's discussion? Oh, I love that enthusiasm. So, our lesson for today is about the phonic alphabet. Do you know what phonic alphabet is? Oh, in order for you to recall those letters in the alphabet, let us sing first the alphabet or the ABC song. Are you ready to sing the ABC song, James? Oh, okay. Without further ado, let's start. In 3, 2, 1, go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC.
Okay, so James, let me ask you, did you recall already those letters in the alphabets? Oh, that's great! So now let's start the phonics of each alphabet or the sounds of each letters. Are you ready? Okay, let's start! So James, I want you to listen to me very carefully in order for you to repeat what I'm saying in a right way. So, the first letter in the alphabet is letter. Alright, it's letter A. So, the sound of letter A is Repeat after me, James. It's okay, very good. So, the sample word is ant. It's ant. With a phonic sound, it's ant. Can you repeat it, James? Oh, very good. You're a very smart kid, James. So, can you guess what's the next letter? Oh, it's letter B. The sound of letter B is... Oh, you know already the sound is. The sound is B, B, B. And the sample word is B, B. It's B, B. Can you repeat me, James? B. Very good. The next letter is letter... Yes, letter C. The sound of letter C is K. K. Repeat after me, James. It's K. K. Very good. The sample word is cake. Start with the sound K. Cake. Repeat after me, James. It's cake. Wow, very good. The next letter is letter D. The sound of letter D is D, D. Can you repeat it, James? It's D, D. Very good. The sample word is dog. It's dog. D, D, dog. Can you say it, James? Oh, very good. It's dog. Okay, very good. So we are now in letter... It's correct. We are now in letter E. Letter E. The sound of letter E is eh. Eh. Can you repeat me, James? Eh. Very good. The sample word is elephant. Elephant. E for elephant. Start with letter Letter E, which is the sound is elephant. Can you say it, James? Elephant. Very good. It's letter E for elephant. The next letter is letter. Can you guess it, James? Guess the next letter. Oh, you can recall the alphabet song earlier. The next letter is. Oh, very good. It's letter F. The sound of letter F is. You just need to let out some air in your mouth. It's letter F for. Repeat after me, James. It's. Okay, it's. Very good. The sample word is flower. Say, James. Say flower. Oh, very good. Starts with letter F with the sound flower. 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 Say it again, James. Okay, letter F for flower. Very good. You're excellent today, James. So, guess the next letter is. Oh, very good. The next letter is letter G. G. The sound of letter G is g, g. Repeat after me, James. It's g. Very good. Very good, James. The sample word is grapes. It's grapes. Repeat after me, James. Grapes. Wow, you're so excellent for today, James. G for G. And the sample word is grapes. Another one, James. Okay, it's grapes. Very good. The next letter is letter. Yes, it's letter H. Oh, you're so happy for today, James. I think you're very interested in today's lesson, aren't you? Oh, thank you for listening attentively to me, James. I appreciated it. So, the next letter is letter H. The sound of letter H is. You just let out some air, James, from your mouth. Okay, repeat after me. Very good. So H for. Okay, the sample word is house. You just need to let out some air from your mouth. It's house. Repeat after me, James. House. Again. Another one. Oh, very good. Letter H for. And the sample word is. Yes, house. Very good, James. You have another star. I forgot to give you one star earlier, so your star now is 2. Very good. Okay, and the next letter is letter I. It's letter I. Okay. I love seeing you smile, James. Okay, the next letter is letter I. I for E. E. Can you say it, James? Yes. E. 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 Oh, wow. Very good. I for E. And the sample word is ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Repeat after me, James. It's ice cream. Very good. Again, ice cream. Very good. And the next letter is. Yes, you're right. It's letter J. Letter J. And the sound of letter J is J. J, j. Repeat after me, James. It's j. Alright, so the sample word is jellyfish. It's, yes, it's jellyfish. Another, say it again. Very good. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish. Very good, James. We are halfway to our alphabet letters. And the next letter is letter, yes, it's letter K. You're very good always, James. I love that. K for k, k. K for, repeat the sounds, James. K. Okay, it's k. And the sample word is kite. K for kite. K, k, kite. Repeat after me, James. Kite. Another one. Very good. K for k, kite. Kite. Alright. And the next letter is letter, yes, it's letter L. L for, what's the sound? You know the sound of letter L? Wow, you're so smart, James. You're correct. The sound of letter L is L. 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 You just put your tongue upward. L. 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 Repeat after me, James. It's L. L. Very good. And the sample word for letter L is lion. Lion. Say it, James. Lion. Excellent. It's lion. L for lion. Lion. Yes, it's lion. Very good. And the next letter is letter, guess the letter is? Oh, yes, it's letter M. The sound of letter M is M. You just put your lips together and say M. Repeat after me, James. Sound of letter M is M. It's your turn. Yes, very good. It's M for M. Okay, very good. And the sample word is moon. 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 Say it again. Yes, alright. It's moon. Moon. M for moon. Moon. Again. Very good. It's moon. Okay, let me give you a round of applause. Very good, James. Guess what's the next letter is? Oh, you are really smart. You knew it already? The next letter is letter. It's letter N. You're all right, James. N for N. Yes, can you repeat? The sound is N. Okay. Very good. N for N. Okay. N for and the sample word is, you knew it already. It's nest. N for nest. Once again. Nest. All right. N nest. Nest. Very good. The next letter is letter, yes, it's letter O. O for O. Say it again, James. You just open your mouth wide. Just say O. O. The sound of letter O is? Wow, very good. And the sample word for letter O is orange. 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 Say it again, James. Oh, very good. It's orange. Orange. O for O. Orange. Orange. Once again. Very good. It's orange. Okay, very good. Another star, James. You have already 3 stars. Very good. The next letter is letter P. The sound of letter P is P, P, P. Just imitate what I am doing in my mouth, James, and repeat after me. It's P, P, P. Okay, very good. P for P, P. Wow, you are a fast learner, James. And the sample word is panda. It's panda. It's your turn? Yes, panda. Panda. Very good, James. Letter P for P, P. And the sample word is panda. Panda. Again, James. Okay, very good. Panda for letter P. Okay. James, we are almost done, and guess what the next letter is? Okay, you're right. The next letter is letter Q. And the sound of letter Q is Q. Q. Repeat after me, James. It's Q. Q. Very good. And the sample word for letter Q is queen. It's queen. Q for queen. It's your turn, Shane. Say it. Queen. Very good. Q for queen. Queen. Okay, excellent, James. And the next letter is letter... Yes, it's letter R. R, and the sound of letter R is R, 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 R. It's R, R, R. You just put your tongue upward and make a vibration in your lips. It's R, R. You can just say R or R. Yes. It's your turn. Okay, very good. And the sample word for letter R is rainbow. 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 It's your turn, James. Say it. Rainbow. Very good. R for rainbow. Rainbow. Very good, James. And the next letter is letter... Guess what's the next letter is? Yes, it's letter S. S for sound of letter S is? Yes, very good. It's letter S for and the sample word is sun. 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 It's your turn, James. It's very good. S for and the sample word is sun. 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 Yes. Sun. And the next letter is letter... Yes, it's letter T. You know already the sound of letter T. Very well, James. You're right. It's t, T for t, t. Say it again. Excellent. And the sample word of letter T is tree. 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 It's your turn, James. Say. Very good. T for tree. 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 Very good. We are down to our sixth to the last letter. It's letter. Yes, it's letter U. And the sound of letter U is O. O. You just also widen your mouth, but this time it's a little harder than the letter O. It's O. O. U for O. Repeat after me, James. It's O. Alright. And the sample word for letter O is umbrella. It's umbrella. It's your turn, James. Say the word umbrella. Alright, very good. U for O. Umbrella. O. Umbrella. Excellent. Umbrella. Okay, and the next letter is letter V. V. Okay, I'm just kidding. I just want to make you smile. Even if you're so smiling. Okay, it's letter V. V. And the sound of letter V is your turn. Alright, it's letter V for V. And the sample word for letter V, sorry, my bad. Letter V is V. And sample word is vase. Vase. Your turn, James. Okay, V for V. Vase. V. Vase. V. V. Vase. Okay, very good. And the next letter is letter? Guess what letter is? Okay, you're right. It's letter W. It's W. And the sound of letter W is W. 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 Say it again, James. Alright, very good. The sound of letter W is W. And the sample word is watermelon. 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 Repeat after me, James. It's watermelon. Wow, you're very good at this. Say it again. Okay, W for watermelon. Watermelon. Okay, very good. The next letter is letter X. X for X. 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 It's your turn. X. Alright, X for X. And the sample word is xylophone. Am I right? Yes, it's right. Xylophone. Say it, James. Okay, X for xylophone. Xylophone. It's a bit similar to letter S, which is S, but the letter X is S for xylophone. Again, James. Alright, X for xylophone. Alright, James, we are down to the second letter to the last in the alphabet letters. So guess what the next letter is? You're right, it's letter Y. And the sound of letter Y is Y. 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 Repeat after me, James. It's Y. Y. Very good. And the sample word for letter Y is yacht. Yacht. Say it again, James. Oh, don't be confused because the letter C and H the word yacht is silent. So you just pronounce it as yacht. Okay, very good. Y for yacht. Yacht. Oh, very good. And now we are on our last letter in the alphabet. And the letter is? Very good. The letter is letter Z. And the sound of letter Z is Z. 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 It's your turn. It's okay. Excellent, James. Z for zipper. Zipper. The sample word of letter Z is zipper. Zipper. Repeat after me, James. Zipper. Yes, zipper. Z for z. Zipper. Z. Zipper. All right, it's zipper. Very good. Okay, so James, we are all done knowing all the sounds of each letter in the alphabet. Can I ask something, James? Okay, thank you for letting me ask you something. Did you learn something about our discussion for today? Very good. I am so glad knowing that you learned something about what I am teaching you. It's my pleasure, James. May I know what did you learn for today's discussion? Oh, wow! You learned about how to pronounce each sound of the letters in the alphabet. Wow! I know that you are a smart kid, James, and I see potential in you. Oh, I'm glad also that you're my student. Yes, yes. Thank you, James. Thank you. So let's wrap it up. Are we all good? Okay. James, thank you so much. And our class or our discussion ends for today. Thank you so much for being participative and for being attentive in today's discussion. Okay, James. Thank you. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a great day, James.